Finally, we're coming! Surprise, really? Oh, yeah! Hey, Mommy! I love it! Wow! Wow, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want. One, two, three. Let's open it. Opening the box. Wow, my all-time favorite toys. Wow. Wow, my Kimi koala. So cute. I love it. Wow, my Lala Lucy. Oh, Hanna. Oh, my book. Chica. Look. Lilo. I'm gonna. Wow, a cat, a toy cat. Meow. She's gonna eat you. Yum. Wow, my Anna. Wait. I saw something really cool and. Oh, yeah. Oh, awesome. She jumps like a skateboard. Kimi Kula, I'm gonna play with it for a while, but first I wanna play. I wanna see my reward. Wow! My special favorite time toy, a unicorn! Thank you! I love it! And I'm gonna try another. Oh! Funny! Look! They can choose their eyes. Oh, my favorite Hello Kitty. We can hang it on a mirror. Oh, I can use that. This is the book. Unicorn. She's hanging on it. Pinkie Pie. I love her. Maybe I should try it. What's this? Whoa. Wow, it's the Cookie Monster. My all-time favorite kitchen toy. I'm gonna work. Watch this dish. I found it. Where's the oven? Let me fix it, Hannah. Oh no, I should get him scotch tape. Look, I cut it. I'm gonna cook something for food. Hannah will work in the kitchen and I'm gonna get some. My little Lucy. I think she's Hannah. I wanna cook something. All-time favorite monkey. Look, she has batteries on. Look. Like it? My all-time favorite. Maybe I should try another thing. Don't cry. Maybe I should try another thing. Just try it. I love my oven. Mommy, tickle! Ouch, Hannah. Mommy, tickle! What is that? Wait, like Jackson, Hannah, give me. You are sick. Funny. What is this? Because that thing is heavy. I have a tennis racket. Look. Wait, it is something that I should use. Look. Whoa, I didn't catch it. I want to take that whole thing out. First, these toys out. This. broken. I'm so sad. I wish she was perfect. Look at her face and her all. She's all dirty. Look, she can sit, but she's dirty. Ouch. I don't know, put her. And Anna is so beautiful. She's like a princess, right? Oh, our favorite toy baby. I have played with her a lot when I was small, and I gave her a bath with toy Shanzay. So where's my other? Wow, this monkey could work. Oh, I want that. There. I just want. Oh, fine. Oh, check me. Oh, but that. Got it. Damn, mommy, funny. I can't still take out that toy. Almost. Maybe I should try this. My favorite dolly stand. Where's that dolly? I should get it. Just later. Just leave it. It's toys! Ta-da! Maybe I should get that dolly now. Wait. My toy basket. Oh my God. Look at it. Let me dress it up. She don't have a dress. There, like that. Like that. There, over here. I should take this and that and put it on her. And the pants too. Look at her. I can put her in her stand. Wait. Look. She's in, oops, my pants. Look, she's in her stand and she's standing. Look. Whoa, carefully not to fall her. Look, I'm in her stand. Look at her. Mommy, I think I can't take out this thing, so I'm going to take all the small toys out and I'm going to take this thing out. It's too heavy. I'm going to take out my Elsa. She could speak, but she's old now. She can't speak. Her hand is broken. My doggy face. Oh, such a funny toy. I always laugh through it because it's too funny. Hanna, that is broken. We can't fix it. Mommy will fix it for you. Still too wet. Okay. Look at this giant bird. Chip, 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 chicken. Chip, chip, chip. But she's old. She can't talk. And wow, my old time. I couldn't lose it. Why I could lose it? Look, it have a tap and it can move around and around. Look at this tap. Tap, 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 tap. Just move it around. Okay, in the corner I'm gonna touch some. Oh, what is this? Oh, my walkie-talkie. Hello, who are you? Oh, okay, I'm gonna ready tea for you just a moment. Funny. My toy monkey, I love it. Look at my toy monkey. Look, my monkey can hold me. She don't have back. At first, her eyes was glowing, and she said, "Rawr," and her eyes was red. She just said like, "Rawr," and vroom vroom. It can drive. Wow! My house. My toy house. Maybe that thing I can take it out now. I took it out. What is this? Break everything inside. Ouch! turning. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Yeah. I don't need that toy. Whoa! Ouch! Ooh! Ow! Oh, ouch! Ow! That hurts. Ouch! Look at this toy, Mark. I didn't show it to son. What is that? Ouch! Ow! Oh, my Mickey Mouse. Hello, who are you? I'm Minnie Mouse. Okay, look. The kitchen things. Look. I can set it so you can just see it. Wow. I'm gonna cook something. The bright and a pink. Pink. And oh no, this one. Don't need that. This fish. Wow, look at this fish. I'm swimming in the ocean. Bye-bye. Funny, I want to go. Oh, but it's a fish. I'll just leave it. And all that favorite zoom car. It goes so fast. Oh, but wait. This is really important. I found my thing. Look, I placed one here. Now we are going to open the other box.